Guys, we are out. It's giving Bob Ross. I love seeing couples everywhere. Solo date with my bed. I love my bed. Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Today is the 10th or 11th week of posting consistently, and I'm so proud of myself for showing up and being consistent, and I'm excited for today's video because I'm taking you guys on a solo day. Is it really solo if I'm taking you guys with me? I don't know. I think it is. Just change up my nail color. Guess what the shade name is? It's from Revlon, by the way. It's literally called, drumroll, Raisin Rage. Anyways, but I have my outfit on. I just need to do my makeup. Take some photos, alright? It's literally nearly 12 p.m. and we're not even out of the house. Well, the thing about solo date is we don't need to go meet anybody. There is no time limit. We can just take our time and go when we want to go. Or we can just stay home. Does that look like rain? Because to me that kind of looked like rain. Boloi is giving, it's gonna make its landfall soon. So we're just gonna go with the vibes here, guys. Wait, is that my train? Open miso ramen ผ็ดค่ะ. Guys, I literally devoured that. Like, the miso is so good. I normally have the tomato soup, but this is on a different level. I'm still on my miso fixation. Anyways, I think I'm ready to go. Maybe I'll get like some sweet treat and then we'll head out. Hopefully Boloi isn't here. Guys, we are out and it's raining, but it's all right. We already planned it, so we're gonna make it work. We're gonna find a spot and literally sit. It's not raining that much. Oh my god, look at the birds. They're so cute. Guys, look at them. I'm finding a place to stop so that I can sit and draw, but I don't know where that's gonna be. But let me show you this pink bridge. It's so cute. Of course I decided to come to the most like the most secluded park, being eaten by mosquitoes alive. But actually no, I'm not being eaten, but I have a feeling I might be shied on by a bird. Big tree. We love ourselves some big tree. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna draw. We're gonna go ahead and draw this pink little bridge. It's giving Bob Ross. It's giving Christina in the wild. Also, this is my little mini kit that I have. It's from Koi. I got it like a really long time ago, but it comes with like a little cute, look. Should I pick something easier? Like, I don't know. A tree? Because a pink bridge is kind of hard, not gonna lie. There was a bunch of water. What the actual F? The squirrel is on top of me. Christina versus nature. Bob Ross is gonna be so proud of me. Ah! It's a solo date, not a date with a squirrel. It's a solo date. A bridge is a bridge. Should I do the green water? Be honest. The answer is yes because you can't answer, but I know you guys said yes because we have the same mind. Guys, I think we have to go because it looks like Walai is coming again. Do you guys see? So we're gonna go have some little cake and then call it a day. Yeehaw! Do I understand the feeling of how it feels single? Yeah, a little bit. Like, I totally get it. I love seeing couples everywhere. Is this how it feels? Is this how you guys feel? Wouldn't it be nice if some handsome guy just showed up and opened an umbrella for me? Wouldn't it be nice? Yeah, it would be nice, wouldn't it? I'm going to this old bookstore, right? And it's in Chatuchak Market. And Chatuchak Market is obviously a weekend market, so it's closed. I don't know how to get in. Do I jump over the fence? The entrance. It's closed. Tell me why I somehow ended beside this place that I always come to. Is this a sign? Uncle said to go to where there's the blue and turn right. I'm totally not freaking out. Oh my god, a kitty! I came down to the MRT because the bookstore was just, the vibes was just not there. I think the one I wanted to go to is closed today, so we're gonna skip the bookstore. We'll just say Akemasa at Concord and then go to the cake store. Meanwhile, I'm sitting right here hoping that I'll bump into my soulmate, like, you know. I wonder if that's gonna happen. Maybe my soulmate might ask me to go on like a date or something, and then we might have to cut short this solo date because how can I deny myself of love? Like, be for real by now.อันนี้ช่อเท่าไหร่คะ350ค่ะ350. Our was 350, but that's like over my budget, so we're just gonna keep the money, go eat cake, and then maybe buy some fruits. We're at the cake shop.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Not that one.
No, it's this one.
What are you gonna get it? The cake
So
shop? I gotta get it. Somehow this like solo date ended up being like an actual date. You literally saw like we bumped into each other. It's just crazy. Would you like to introduce yourself? My name is Kunte.
How did we meet? When did we meet?
It was a love at first sight in the train station.
I was thinking I could, you know, stay at the cafe, maybe journal a little bit. I got a matcha latte. What did you get, Sa? Honey lemon. And then we got like mixed crumbled cake. It looks divine. And then my date today got Biscoff cake.
I'm gonna show my date, the drawing that I did on my solo date at the park. Ready? Ta-da!
Wow.
Wow! Out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Put my signature. Okay, the next one I think is a true masterpiece. 1, 2, ta-da!
I like it, Picasso.
This is my squid. I only got like two thing, and it looks little, like, tiny. I got one tentacle and one like meat, but the meat looks tiny. Cheers. The solo date was great, but I stubbed my toe and we have to end it here. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my little half-day solo date. Hashtag met my soulmate, like by accident at the train station and everything. Yeah. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Get well soon, toe.